Okay, so if we look at this, you're going to start out, and I'm going to write some numbers up here. The only numbers that you are allowed to circle, okay, in groups are going to be 2, 3, 5, or 7. Okay, those are all prime numbers. You have to know that you cannot circle 2, 3, 5, or 7. Okay, but see how this is like connected? You can't circle that 2 and that 7. They go together. It's 27. Okay, so what are some factors of 40? Okay, well, you're always going to start with a 2, and I'm going to show you how to do it on your calculator. So you can say 40 divided by 2. If you get a whole number, then that means it works. What are you going to get? 20. Okay, 2 cannot go any further, but 20 can. Okay, and you're going to check a 2. So 20 divided by 2. You get a number. 10. So 2 and 10. Okay, 10. You're going to 2 and 5. Okay, see how these are 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 5? Okay, so we factor this all the way out. Now, this says, in this turn, pull in groups of 3. Okay, so do we have a group of 3 of anything? Yes. Okay, of the 2's. See, these are all going one group. Okay, so we've got everything factored, so you're going to write down the little radical symbol. Okay, and if there's a number there, you have to put it there in your answer. So in this case, there's a number 3, so there should be a baby 3. Okay, right there. Now, I want you to just think about this. When people have lots of friends, do they go out more often, or do they stay at home more often? They go out more often. What about somebody who has no friends? They don't really go out, okay? They stay at home. Okay, so you can kind of think of this as like a house. Okay, they have friends. All these 2's are friends, so they're going to go on the outside of the house. Who has no friends? The 5. Okay, the 5 has no friends, so he's going to stay inside the house. Okay, and so we've simplified this radical. Okay, it doesn't look like this anymore. It looks like this. Okay, and it's done. Okay, these are equivalent expressions, so to speak, okay? Because if you would take this times cubed, it would give you back to 40 in the thing, okay? So 98, on your calculator, type in 98 divided by 2. Do you get a whole number? What? 2 and 49. Okay, 49, say 49 divided by 2. What'd you get? A number with a decimal. So after we check 2, then check 3. So 49 divided by 3. Decimal, okay? And then you kind of are just going to check those 2, 3, 5, 7. So check 5. 49 divided by 5. Okay, it doesn't work. So then try 7. 7 and 7. Okay? And some of these you're going to know. Once you think about it, like, yeah, 7 times 7 is 49. Okay, but you kind of want to go in order, so then when you're, like, factoring it out, they kind of, like, tail off. Okay, because otherwise you're going to have stuff jumbled all over. Okay, so our group number, there's no number here, so what is it? 2. That means we can take in groups of 2. Do we have a group of 2 of anything? What? The 7's. Okay, so for each thing that you circle, each group, that's going to go on the inside or outside? Outside, okay? They have friends, 7 and 7, so they're going to go on the outside. Who's not going anywhere? The 2. He's going to go back inside. He's got no friends. Oops. Okay, and so this is simplified. Okay, 5, 648. So you're going to say 648 divided by 2. 324. Okay, 324 divided by 2. And on the calculators, you can leave your answer and just keep saying divide by 2, divide by 2. Okay, that way you're not erasing it. So you got 2 and what? 162. 162 divided by 2. 2 and 81. 81. It's a decimal, so then you're going to have to say 81 divided by 3. 2 and 27, 3 and 27. Okay, and then 27 you should be able to do. What goes into 27? 3 and 9. Okay, the 3 can't go any further, but the 9 can. What's that going to be for 9? 3 and 3. Okay, they can only go outside in groups of what? In groups of 4. There's a 4 right there. Okay, so our answer should definitely have that little 4. Okay, we can go in groups of 4. So do we have a group of 4 of anything? What? The 3s. So we got 4 3s. For every one circled, right, you put 1 on the outside. So you're going to get 1 3 on the outside. Who cannot go? The 2s. Okay, they don't have enough friends, essentially. Okay, you have to have at least in groups of 4. So even if you have 1 friend, it's not enough. Okay, you have to have it in groups of 4. So how many 2s are not be able to go? 3 of them. Okay, so they're going to stay inside the house. Okay, so we have 2, 2, 2, 2 inside the house, right? Yeah, that means you have to multiply. Okay, if you have more than any one piece, so what is 2 times 2 times 2? It's not 6. 8. Okay, so really it's going to be 3 and an 8 on the inside. Oh gosh, this board is annoying today. Okay, make sure that you have that little 4 on the outside. I have to put that up. Okay, 96. What are some factors in 96? Come on, get to typing. You guys have to practice on the calculator. 96 divided by 2. 48. 48. 2 and what? 24. 24. 2 and 12. 12. 2 and 6. 6. 2 and 3. Okay, so they can travel in groups of what? 2. Okay, so go through here and circle whatever groups you can. So I got one group of 2s. Another group of 2s. Okay, who's not allowed to go? This 2 and 3. Okay, so, and I'm going to draw some arrows so you kind of see what's happening. So for this group of 2, we put 1, 2 on the outside, right? They can go. For this group, we put 1, 2 on the outside. Okay, and then we have this 2 and 3 that's got to go back in here. Okay, for every group you have circled, there's kind of like one leader of that group, okay? So, 2 times 2 on the outside, what are you going to get? 4 square root, 2 times 3. 6. Okay, 348. Start typing. 348 divided by 2. 2 and 174? 174. 2 and 87? 87. You said 5? Oh. 3 and 29? 29.
You said 348, you said 384.
Oh, are those numbers right then or no?
No.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I'm freaking dyslexic. Okay, so then what are they?
First hour should be
192. Okay, 192. 2 and 96? 2 and 48. 2 and 24. 2 and 12. 2 and 6. 2 and 3. Okay, see how these are all going kind of like down? This is why we check 2s first. Okay, sometimes you might be able to see it and be like 6 and 8 right here for 48, right? You know, 6 times 8 is 48. That's fine, but then you're going to get 2 that trail off because the 6 can continue to go and so can the 8. And then it's kind of hard to see the groups line up, okay? However, you're still going to get the same number either way, so that's totally up to you. In what group number can we take them in? 6. Okay, so circle groups of 6. Did I do that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so how many 2s are we going to have on the outside? 1. Why 1, 2? Yeah, so for every one we circle, you put 1 on the outside. Okay, so for this whole group, right? So when you guys go to a restaurant and you're like, does every single person go up to the hostess and be like, we need a table for 6, right? Or do you send one person? You send one person, right? Okay, same thing. If you guys all go to the grocery store, do you, your mom, your dad, everybody pays? No, one person pays. Okay, so for this group, we get 1, 2 on the outside. What's going to go on the inside? 2 and 3. And what do you do with them? Multiply them. So it's going to be what on the inside? 6.